I'm going to show you in this tutorial how you can add Wix chat. Okay, so this video is going to be very short. So what you can do to add a chat on Wix is very simple. Just go here where you say add apps, this icon. You click on this icon, and then you're going to have to go to here where you'll search for the app Wix chat. Now you're going to click on this one here. And now what you're going to need to do is to click add to site. Okay, and now this is installing now this app, adding Wix chat. And now we have Wix chat on this. As you can see, let's chat here. I can click on preview. And then we're gonna see we have here this chat. Now, of course, you can, if you want, you can customize this. You can click on settings. You can click on open inbox. Also, just to refresh this 1 second. And before we actually continue with this tutorial, because I'm gonna show you so many things we can actually set up on Wix website, on Wix chat. So there's actually cool things you should know about. And first off, it's great because you can chat actually with your viewers in, like, you can set up some questions, their browsing, you can add some messages, you can respond instantly, you can help your customer, helpful. You can create like a customer support, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about. So you can click on here on settings, and then from here you can click on manage chat. And we're gonna see here first that we're gonna have to enable chat rooms. I'll set this to this time, your time zone, also here you have your channels, but of course let's save first. But before doing that, we also here we have choose form, list, phone number, message. We can add here, and it's gonna see how it looks like. Now I think the phone and the email and the name and the email, it's enough for me. Set online form. You can see here intro message. You can add something related to your business, or you can leave the same message. It's up to you. You can actually add a FAQ button. You can click on here, get started. And now we also have a FAQ. Okay, we can enable this as well and add our questions. Okay, things like that, but this is just some examples. If you want, you're gonna have to click on add a new question, and the question and the answer relating to your business. Just think to yourself, what questions my viewers, my users are asking about my product, my website, and then I'll give you the most common questions, and then I'll write the answer, of course. Just go back here and save changes. So you also can enable member chat, which is pretty cool to build a community around your site. And then now you can also display here, change chat location on the page here or there, show automatically open chat on all pages, design of the chat, and we can upload our business logo, which is a good idea in my opinion. And you can change the color from here. You can also add something white or not, or yeah or not, whatever you want, whatever color. But I think what I would do, I would actually add a color. I just realized the camera was positioned here, so I'm sorry. So I can I'll add actually a color that will actually match my business color, you know. So you can change the icon from here, the text. We'll reply as soon as we can. Display response time on chat header. Manage pre-chat forum, notifications, automations, channels, and member chat. Okay. And also here we have support. Pretty cool. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful, and thanks for watching, and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, if you have more questions about Wix, let me know in the comment section.